In this video, I am going to show you how to make a simple image slider using the CSS background property. We'll start by creating the slider box. And there we have it. Now we'll add the first image that is going to be visible in the slider. And now we'll add all the other images to the slider. What this will do is load all the images before the slider is shown on the page. Now that the CSS and HTML part is done, we can move on to JavaScript. And we'll start by selecting the slider itself. And now we'll create an interval which will switch between the images every 2 seconds. The reason why the image variable is set to 2 is because the first image that is visible in the slider has already been set using CSS itself. Thus, when the interval runs for the first time, it will switch to the next image, which is 2. And here we'll need an if statement that makes the images loop. And that's it, folks. A very simple image slider using the CSS background property.